Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can erase in Notability. So we have some options. So to use the eraser tool from the top toolbar, which offers two distinct modes. So let's go and do that. Now, as you can see here, I will draw something just to show you really quickly. And now if I select here this one, and press it again, it will open up some options here. So I can, this is the size, and then we have whole and partial. So the whole means is with touching any part of a stroke, a line, a letter or something will delete the entire stroke instantly. If you select here the partial, this acts like a traditional pencil eraser. It only deletes the specific pixel you touch, allows you to split uh, the, as you can see, uh, uh, lines, or precisely trim small details. Now, if you want to delete the whole page or just some bigger thing and that you don't drag through the screen, you can use here this one here. So is boxed or free forum. And now what we can do is just drag this box basically where we want to delete something, click on it, and then you will have here option delete, and this will delete, as you can see, what we have selected. And that's basically, this is how you can erase in Notability. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.